I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to another vlog. This is your girl, Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So, guys, it's day 2 in Little Rock. And, yeah, 2 days away from the wedding. But, you know, we are head out on the road. Me and the girlies them. We are going to look some food. And then we'll link up with the bride later. The bride busy, guys. The bride busy. And I honestly now feel like I should have gotten a vehicle to be, you know, able to maybe jump around or help her. But we never did a think. We never did a think. So anyways, guys. Hey, Tina, so the lady couldn't wait till we did. Anyways, guys. If it's your first time over here, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on. So whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified.
So wait, you could
interact with your girl. Wait now.
Your eyes inside.
Well,
shades in darkness.
Listen, me I give the people my intro. Why you stay so sis?
What in darkness?
They're see my eyes. See if they can see my eyes. Guys, this is she stay. The new sub of them. This is my sister.
Oh, hi guys.
And that's so she
Happy
stays. She
New
just
Year.
extra.
I'm the nice sister. She's the naughty sister.
Guys, she didn't tell a lie. Anyways, guys, you know, interact with your girl in the comment section. You know, give me thumbs up and, you know, the whole, just another share. Share. 2025, we motto, we're going to share. Right? In that 2025, we're going to share. And, what else? For my real OG, my real lifestyle family, my lifestylers, my OG, them big up on yourself. I love you. Continue to do what you're doing. All right. Thank you so much for your support. Anyways, guys, let me show you my fit for today. So your girl, promise turn on the light, please and thank you. Yes. So your girl, guys, I'm in my Costco fit. Yeah, my little Costco fit. I'm gonna come a little closer. Yeah, Costco, baby. Costco fit. My little Adidas sneakers. And you know, my little Gucci bag. Sunglasses.
Costco, high five.
Yeah, I'm a bust down wig. Yeah. Yes, guys, so this is my fit. Oh, and this is Promise. Say hi, lifestylers.
Hi, lifestylers.
Yes, guys, so we are got road.
The Adidas. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is my little Adidas fit. Adidas winners. Adidas Koshi.
Gucci. Since you're not getting me fit, it's not in it with. It's not into it.
My little track fit, guys.
Yeah.
Comfy and stylish.
Yeah.
If you don't say it now, then the camera will tell with face.
Oh, God.
Oh, I forgot about all that.
Tina, the one got rooftop this morning.
This morning? Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, so we never have a car, honestly. It's that. What? Right? Like, hers is for Snapchat. Come, you come. What direction are we going? Why don't come quietly? I don't know. What is that, Samantha's? So guys, we're food on now.
And according to this,
Guys, we're in downtown Little Rock and we're looking for food. We're hungry. We're so starving. They didn't give us anything to eat, so we gotta look for food. Silly Billy, we
She
promise,
just called you a
Huh?
silly Billy. How do you feel?
we promise calling silly. Guys, don't take my shirt, it pin up.
She's
this side.
talking to you. Oh, she called you a silly Billy.
What? Huh?
Lunch special.
Where? Fried catfish. So guys are gonna.
Are we going in or you guys want to walk around?
Let's go.
There's what's that?
I feel like we need to eat.
We just need to eat before I start having a headache and that.
No, I mean,
Eh.
walk around and see options.
No, we'll just go here for today. But not when me not eat. If I have a good time later, I can't have a headache.
Let's go, Promise.
This is Samantha. Oh, hi Samantha. Come.
Young one.
They can go
I
on.
want pizza. I want pizza.
That's not pizza. It's quesadilla.
This is pizza.
No. That's just Caesar. I think no problem. So guys, we just eat. We had to restaurant hopping. Remember we said we went to Samantha's? Nope. We ended up at that up there. Yeah, the menu never good and the price wasn't right. Fit to what we see. What you say, Promise? And guys, we had such a good talk in there, but the music, the big bad liar over there, so did I drop something yesterday, if a coin or a cent. A coin or a cent.
A little bit of both.
Yeah.
Some coins, some cents.
What's Promise? Promise. Watch. All I'm trying to tell you to watch your step. You're not watching your step.
Maybe she doesn't understand you.
No, look, sir.
Maybe it's still a holiday here because there's nobody down there.
That's what me I say. What is this? Sorry.
No, washing steps too.
All right.
Watch your steps too, you know?
Mom.
I'm not watching. Okay. I know. I need to practice what I preach, right? Do we need to press something?
They just say to walk. Are we going to do run? Yes, man. Oh, from the camera to the
The car's so fast.
Come on. Esther didn't see. Pastor, Minister Esther didn't see.
I saw you.
You saw it. That's
I saw it.
Yeah. Wait, Mama.
That's why your husband. That's like something from that.
Yeah. That's not true. That's not true, sis.
Auntie.
What is this convection? Oh, this is the library. So food library stay? We have underground parking.
Across the road because there's
Oh. Hurry, green light. Yeah, it's green. Let's go. Red means stop. Green means
And yellow.
means slow down.
And fast.
Yeah.
And wouldn't be fast.
Look at the train, Rock Region Metro. Guys, that's their train. Yeah. That's their train. So guys, this is the riverfront park. Oh.
So you just have to brush out like that?
That's, oh, I never went on that bridge. That seems like a different bridge.
There's even an escalator.
Yeah.
Great.
You must have to pay for that one. Must. I'm big on Little Rock. Oh, they have, let's see. They have Junction Bridge, North Little Rock, Arkansas Trail, Peabody Splash. It's beautiful. Huh?
It's a nice venue for a concert.
Yeah. I think that's where they keep concerts and stuff. Yes. And Two River Park. Monument Park.
Weird art.
Jacket. Thermal. It's okay. What happened? You guys stuck? Let's take a group picture up here. We're gonna go down after. I'm cool, but me I move.
Promise, let's go.
Come. You're little too like are you wanna enjoy. See? Calm down. Wait. So guys, Little Paris. See they put locks? Hey, I honestly feel like this is some witchcraft. What? What? Hey, don't touch nothing. But that's what I'm saying. Look over here. Look over here. I feel like this is some witchcraft. Look at. Yeah. Yeah. Look how this one with the cross. Look there. With cross. Guys, you see when you're spiritual, you see things different. You see?
Bad mama.
Maybe some bad woman or some. Hey.
See, Cody will get free. I can't get free because they lock up.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Mighty God. See? Guys, trust me, people do these things. Yeah? So you have to stay prayed up. No matter how far you're different, God, you have to stay connected. Yeah, anyway. See all them lock here, don't take them like left. I know Paris with it. Eh? Let's see if they have chocolate ice cream. Hi. Ooh, what are we getting, promise? Chocolate ice cream. Ooh, desserts. Smells so good.
Are you talking?
Of course, sis. It smells so good. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Do you have, okay, so that one is what? That's not chocolate. Which one is this one? Cookie and cream?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want cookie and cream or chocolate? Okay, do you want it in a, yeah, I think we'll do it in a,
The largest one,
how much is the large?
$11.97.
Okay, we'll do this one, chocolate.
The regular?
Yeah. I'm not able to go cramp up my teeth and blow up my belly.
What else for you?
That's it. That's it. Are you guys getting ice cream? Right? That's something I worry about too.
I smell something good over there.
It's Oh, it's the waffle cone you guys make over there? Smells so good. Oh, okay. No, that's it.
Your total is going to be 863. Is it?
Candy apple. She's making waffle, guys. Smells so good. Yeah. All the Valentine's coming up. I don't know. I'm not a chocolate girl for Valentine's. Thank you. Back at the hotel. In the hotel lobby, yeah. At the party, then after the.
Please, girl, was on the itinerary for tonight. So I could know how to dress.
Put on a nice little cute dress
So I would prepare myself accordingly.
and come down.
Seventh floor, guys.
7th floor.
7th floor.
Everybody has their card. 7 roof.
Oh, 7 is the
Did you
roof.
click it?
Why you
Get the card first.
She did
Use-
tap
oh.
her card, but it's not lighting up.
Press
You
the
wanna
card
take
again.
us there?
7 now.
See, didn't. Like we need permission. It's still not
Did
going.
you swipe the card?
She did, and it lit up. We're not going anywhere, so let's just.
So do it again.
And look, if I do 2,
Oh, so do 7 now.
we are not.
I guess it's closed.
Not to laugh. It says see you at the 7th floor. That's where we're going. That's what it says.
See you
Come,
on. Come.
Tap it one more time, sis.
Press 7 now.
Or just press 6 and walk up the stairs.
Yeah, press 6. Yeah. Look at them.
So rooftop seat access to the 7th. Rooftop bar access on the 7th floor.
So why?
No, that's not ours. Don't.
Come. Sorry. Whoop.
So how do we get to the 7th floor?
Promise.
I need permission.
You don't need permission,
We have shares.
right?
Shares are our permission.
Press 7. Press 7.
It
7.
don't work.
No?
Not working, sis.
I guess.
So we have to ask reception
Yeah.
to ask about this?
Just to go on the 7th floor?
Or maybe it's just not open at certain hours, you know?
Oh, no, there's no time.
Because if there's no one, I guess.
Or maybe
working up
bar
there.
hours.
Yeah, maybe it's just bar hours.
Yeah.
Well, they need to post that somewhere.
Right?
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just